everyone. Leo Tolstoy once said, one of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. Let us see a short skit on nature.
मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती. Wow, I'm glad that I'm a man from 1980. The environment is peaceful and beautiful around me. But why you?
On the earth from the 2031. Save me, I'm dying.
What happened to you? Why are you in this condition?
I am Rangila, I make others Leela. I am Rangila, I make others Leela. I am Rangila, I make others Leela. What happened, brother? I don't know which foolish person has thrown banana peel on the floor. I wish I could break his bones.
Look, he calls himself Rangila and look at my condition. मेरा हो गया है पूरा रंग गीला. They call each other brother but doesn't care for one another. This is the future of the man on the earth. Humans are destroying nature at an unprecedented rate, threatening the survival of million species, our own future too. Our expanding cities are leaving less room for wildlife, exploiting nature, and causing pollution.
Oh no, I'm seeing the future. I'm a man from 1980, but due to human activities, Earth is dying. Our lifespan will decrease. Let the change begin from me. Save Mother Earth by keeping a check on our human activities.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी. मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी. मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी. मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी. मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है. मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है. ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है. हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है. हाँ, दुखता है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है.
Well, the environment is where we all meet, where we all have a mutual interest. It is the only thing all of us share. Let's learn from nature and save nature for future generations. Thank you.